Growing up, you might have learned one way or another the importance of saving and investing money for your future. But how many of us are actually doing anything about it? The habit of saving and investing money is not just for people who want to get rich. It's for anyone who wants to achieve financial freedom. Freedom to finally start your dream hobby. Freedom means getting the dream job that might be earning less but gives you more meaning. Freedom to finally spend more time with your family. However, the sad truth is that most of us are always busy at work and just don't have enough time to learn how to invest. Even if we have time, it is difficult to start investing, not because there is no information available, but actually because there's just too much information available out there. Admittedly, the next question is, where do we begin? My name is Romel Nepomuceno, and for me, investing does not need to be that complicated. You just need to start now. Welcome to the Habitual Investor.